Hey everyone, my name is cèjae. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video back in like 4 years. I tried during COVID, didn't stay consistent, but I'm gonna try this time to stay consistent. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup routine. This is like soft glam, going out, you know, if you just want to look cute. This is what I do, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I start off with is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. On freshly washed hands, I just simply dab like four dabs on, and then I rub it in. After primer, I go in with this little Maybelline brow pencil. Just comb out my eyebrows a little bit because I'm gonna put on the glue for the eyebrows just to shape it. And with that, I use the Maybelline Super Lock. So yeah, that's what I use. I don't do too much because I don't really like the super feathered look. Once the glue is on, I go in with the pencil and I just draw in little sparse lines just to fill it in a little bit. Not too much, because like I said before, you want it to still look a little natural. Not too boxy. But so after one is complete, this is the difference between the brows. Done, not done. Not a crazy difference, but you know, it looks better. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side and then come back. I could show y'all this side since it's a better view. Okay, so these are the finished brows. Next, I go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I only use this since I bought it. And I just go in with a few dabs as well. Enough for coverage, but not too much. 4 dabs, cheeks, forehead, chin, maybe a little bit here, a little bit here. And then I just go in with this little brush, just a little flat brush, and blend. When it comes to foundation, I pretty much put it everywhere. Nose for coverage, underneath my eyebrows, because I just like coverage before I put my concealer. So for a full beat, that's what I'll do. And also the foundation shade is 445, and that's Pro Filter. Next, I go in with my concealer. Just gonna do a little bit of a light. And I go in with a semi shades close to mine. I discovered that 2 is better than just 1 full shade, and I'm kind of over that light shade look, so I kind of blend it in. Not too much in the middle because I don't want too much of a bright forehead. And I usually put on the concealer to the brush. I just follow the pattern of my brow. Not too much, but enough so that it's like shaped. And then I'll just blend down, and then I'm gonna go on with my other brush. So this is the eyebrows, pretty blended. Next, I usually spray some setting spray over the concealer. Let it sit a little bit, and then we're gonna blend. I just use this little brush for the concealer, and then I go with the smaller one to get the inner corners. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start blending. When you're blending concealer, you really wanna try your best to look up. You make some blend it. Try to come in towards my nose. And later on, I'm gonna connect it. I try to give myself a little, I don't know how do I explain it? Kind of like a cat eye look with the concealer. I'm gonna snatch the eyes a little bit. The more you blend, the more seamless it looks. Out and up, out and up. See, you don't want it to be too bright, but just enough to give you a little pop, a little shine. That never hurt anybody. Getting close to the corners at this point. So I'm about to switch the brush. And that's when I go in with this brush and just further blend into the corner of my eyes. Usually at this point is when I decide whether or not I want more concealer. Looks like I'm beating my eye in. At this point, I think the coverage is pretty good for what I'm trying to do. Maybe a little bit more brown. But after this, I just go in with some blush before I set, because I kind of like the what's it called? The underpainting look. But yeah, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on if I remember or not. Because usually I'll go in with a few layers of blush, I'm not gonna lie. So for blushes, I usually like to do the bronze camo liquid blush, and then I just got this one. What is this one called? Maybelline Liquid Blush 2, and I just love the dark brownish type of blushes. I feel like it complements my skin. So before setting, I'm just gonna put a few dabs, because the setting usually takes away the pigment of it, but this is just so you have a little bit of something. A little something to work with. I'm gonna do both of them. But yeah, then I just blend that in downwards. So right now you see the pigment, but eventually that's gonna go away. Next, favorite step, Huda Beauty setting powder. Love this step. Gotta do this so that it comes out evenly. So I just use this little triangle puff. Get a good amount on here. Dab off excess, and then go under. Everywhere where there was concealer, pretty much. And then I go over my eyebrows as well. Next, I'm going in with this Juvia's Place bronzer. I like a warm tone bronzer. And I just put it above the forehead. Come into the cheek, contour that up. And by the way, I also added some more setting powder because I had to do something, so I needed to add some more. I don't play about the setting powder. That's how your face looks, like flawless, like a filter. Gotta put on that setting powder. Next up is to blend. I go in with this smaller brush first. And then I go in with this bigger brush and I just blend everywhere, honestly. This is really when the look starts coming together because you have like the full base. Could walk out just like this, honestly. So after I do this, I most of the time go in with some bronzer again. And then I go in with the blush once again. Since this is a soft glam look, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shadow, just a little bit. I'm gonna prime my eye. Dab of concealer, because I don't have like a setting thing for shadow. I just use concealer. So me personally, I love a good sultry look, so I'm gonna go in with the burgundy and brown mixture just so it's like, you know, cute, not too much, but you know, cute enough. So I'm gonna use this Meredith Duxbury palette. I don't know how long it's been out, but I got it at Ulta one day and I love it. So we're gonna do Sultry Nights, and I'm just gonna go in the outer corner first. Once I do the outer corners and I like how it looks, I'm gonna go in with the second color, and I'm gonna do the Espresso Martini. I'm just go in the middle of my eye towards the corners. The corner of the eye, I'm just gonna do City of Dreams, my bad. Let's go into the corner a little bit. Give it a little something. I'm usually a silver girly, but I think browns and burgundies look better with gold. So yeah, that looks cute. So next I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeliner. I've kind of grown out of the whole lashes look, so eyeliner is second best option for me, and I feel like it completes the look just as well as some lashes. So that's what we're gonna do next. When it comes to eyeliner, you really got to be careful. So like, keep your eye on these mirrors, make sure it look good, because once it's on there and you already put other stuff on it, it's real hard to go back. So just get it right the first time. For real, for real. So this is one eye. Now we're gonna go on with the second. Okay, so after I do the eyeliner, I usually like to go in with a little dark look underneath. I don't know, something about a dark look. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of eyeshadow because I don't have any like pomade, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I just put it under. After I do that, I go in with some mascara. I don't really like this one. It's kind of dried out. Maybe use this one. What we think. So this is the look before lip gloss. You know, you got to go in with that lip liner, with that gloss. Can't ever forget that. But we're going to spray. Yeah. Don't get too excited or that will happen. Hey, look good. It's cute. It's cute. It's real cute. It's real cute. So here's a little bit of a better look with better lighting. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love it. I'm so happy. It turned out so good. And my phone didn't run out of storage. I was able to complete the video, so thank God for that. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like enjoyed this video. I hope y'all liked it, you know. Tune in for more videos. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.